Hi there, GoodGolf here with a short video on assembly definitions. In my last video I mentioned that Emerald AI 2024 does not have assembly definitions included. Using assembly definitions is one of the methods to keep code compiler times short in large projects. Without it, every little change requires the compiler to check all source files instead of only the module you changed. Why is it an issue if the asset doesn't include assembly definitions? It's a lot of work to collect the added scripts which are stored in subfolders of the regular scripts. So, when you manually change this, you will need to redo it every update of the asset. Having done that a couple of times now, I decided to fix this with a script. I uploaded it to my GitHub in a new Emerald integrations repo. It basically collects all Emerald AI editor scripts into a single folder and creates an assembly definition for both the editor scripts and the regular scripts. If you have other assets with similar problems, it is possible to use the same approach, although you will need to make some small changes to the script. Before I explain the script, be aware that it does include a little bit of a hack. In Unity 2022 there is no API call to create an assembly definition, so I basically create a file following the assembly definition standard and then import it into the project. Let me briefly explain the steps this editor script performs. Collect all editor scripts in the project using the asset database findAssets call. Create a list of editor scripts and only include the ones belonging to Emerald AI. Find the root folder of the Emerald AI in the project, again using the findAssets call. Create a new folder for the editor scripts and copy all Emerald editor scripts into that folder. In the last step I create the assembly definitions. However, we also need a reference to the animation rigging package Emerald imports into the project. I get that reference using the getAssemblyDefinition file path from assembly name. I then insert it into the string representing the assembly definition file contents. That string gets written into the assembly definition file and imported into the project using importAsset. Similarly, we create the assembly definition file for the editor scripts. Okay, that's it for now. Before I close out today's video, a quick update on the Emerald AI to A-star pathfinding integration. I just uploaded the version 1.3.0 integration code, which not only supports the new version, but also improves the A-star movement code. In the new version, the root motion drives the A-star agent, which improves the movement significantly and prevents the fighting behavior between the A-star and the root animation I saw in my previous code. In the next video I plan to expand on the fishnet integration of Emerald, so hope to see you soon.